This is the only broker that's safe, and they're actually doing a 100% deposit bonus. But before I get into that, let's talk about what's actually happening today. There's a ton of brokers that are shutting down, and there's a lot of chaos going on, right? You probably have heard that some people are having a hard time withdrawing their money, and people just don't know where to park their money. But really quick, I just want to clear the air. The tech providers behind all of these white label brokers is pulling the plug. They're basically parting ways. We don't know if it's legal. We don't know if they're actually jumping into the regulated space. We just don't know. So there's a lot of speculation going on. But from what I see, all of these white label brokers that are pushed by influencers, it's more so the tech that's actually parting ways. So, don't get scared. Don't get too spooked. We don't have too much clarity, but that's essentially what's actually happening. So this is like one of 10 of the brokers that are actually shutting down, but you're all gonna get the same message, right? So September 21st, no new positions may be opened. And then October 1st is when all of the positions will be closed. So just make sure to withdraw your money as soon as possible, because this is not a joke. Like, once they pull the plug, we don't know if you're gonna be able to get your money back. And there's a lot of people that are going onto the website, doing customer service, so that might even crash the website as well. And that's gonna even cause more issues down the road if you wait to the last minute like everybody else. So I've been saying this for a while now with my audience. I'm no influencer. I don't have 500,000 subscribers, and I don't drive a Lambo, but I've been sharing this with my people because it's really important to be informed and educated. A lot of influencers, these influencer traders, are making a ton of money by pushing these white label brokers. That's why the chatbot looks the same. That's why the dashboard looks the same. It's all copy and pasted. They're using the same liquidity provider. They just slap a different brand or logo, and then they're off to the races. So as you can see right here, this is the list of brokers that are well integrated with TradeLocker. There used to be a list of 25, but again, like I said, all of those brokers were just pretty much white labeled, and they were using the same technology provider. So these are all legit. You don't have to worry about them shutting down or anything. And they're all modern and just super fast when it comes to executions, okay? So GatesFX is the broker that I use, but let's get straight into this review. So right here, you can see GatesFX 4.4 out of 5 stars, really good reviews. This is the website. You just go to gatesfx.com. But basically right here, you can see that there's a button that says start trading, and it's gonna take you to the KYC. KYC is just basically know your customer. That's what it stands for. So you upload your driver's license or some sort of identification, and then you deposit your money, and then you're off to the races. So once you hit start trading, it's gonna take you to this tab right here. Oh, not this tab, this is actually my withdrawals. We can get into that later, but right here, you can see open live account. Okay, so what you want to do is click on open live account, select TradeLocker, and then go ahead and continue. Once you continue, you're going to see some options. You can do all the way up to 1,000 leverage, but this is what you want to take advantage of, okay? Because Gates is actually the only broker that is doing this 100% deposit bonus right now. So it's basically free money. You can literally ask my Discord group. They're doubling their accounts instantly. So if you deposit $5,000, you're gonna get $5,000. So that's gonna be a $10,000 account, right? If you deposit $1,000, you're gonna get another $1,000, which makes your account $2,000. You get the point, right? So go ahead and click on 100% deposit bonus, right? And this is actually gonna be a 500 leverage. So you're not gonna get 1,000, but it's gonna be up to 500 leverage, which is plenty. And then once you hit continue, it's gonna give you your credentials, and then you're off to the races, okay? So let's go back to these withdrawals just to show you that I'm actually making withdrawals. It's all legit and safe. You can see this was my last withdrawal today, actually. So I withdrew around $1,500 the day before, or this was 7/14, about 1,100 bucks. And if you need further proof, I did this in another video. You can see right here, withdrawal approved is what I searched for. And then it's gonna take me to all of the emails that have that character in it, right? Withdrawal approved. So you can see this was my withdrawal date, 9/24/25, and I received $1,537 in my Cash App account, my Coinbase account. So let's keep it moving. Hero FX, heard really good things about this broker. Really similar when it comes to technology. Spreads are pretty good. I don't really know too many people that are trading on Hero FX, but they're really good with customer service, and yeah, that's about it. So now, cTrader. cTrader actually has the best reviews. They've been in the game a little bit longer, but the only downside is they don't actually integrate with MT5 or TradeLocker. So you're gonna have to use a platform called cTrader. In my opinion, it's a little clunky. So yeah, if you're open to learning a new platform, go for it. But TradeLocker is the best. Like, I'm not even getting paid for that. It's just basically the best because it's very similar to TradingView, and I use TradingView to mark up my charts, and you get the idea. And so this is the website. You can see the website, pretty modern. They do have some sort of customer service, live chat, and I do believe that it's actually a live, chat bot. And then we also have Liquid Brokers. Okay, so Liquid Brokers is basically a very popular broker that, in my opinion, is pushed by a lot of influencers. So again, like I said in the beginning of this video, just have a little bit of discernment when you see a lot of big players in the game pushing a specific broker, right? They might be getting paid on the back end. They might be getting, retainers and all these kind of bonuses and stuff because it's money. So again, very popular, but the reviews aren't necessarily the best. And again, very similar to cTrader, you're not gonna actually have integrations with MT5 and or TradeLocker. And then the last one is going to be Blueberry Markets. So very reputable. They have excellent reviews. Basically, Blueberry, if you're out of the United States, I would highly recommend it because their spreads and commissions are just super tiny. So if you want to take advantage of, a regulated broker that is for people outside of the USA, go for it because they're really good. So I wanted to keep this video a little bit quicker because I'm sure you've done some research on your own end as well, and you probably already have a sense of where you're going. If you know anybody that may be having some withdrawal issues, right, reach out to me on my Discord because there's a lot of people that I'm actually helping. So feel free to join my Discord. It's absolutely free. Take advantage of that free deposit bonus. You're gonna get 100% match. Dude, if you deposit 10 grand, you're gonna get 10 grand extra. You know what I'm saying? It's free money. So even though, you're super involved with a specific broker and like you're emotionally tied to it, like 24K Markets or KOT or Sage, like, yeah, it's sad and you're gonna have to, withdraw your money and, park. It's like moving, right? Like you kind of like love your home, but you don't want to move, but you're gonna be upgrading anyways to a different area, a nicer area. It's kind of like that. So take advantage. FX is the only broker right now that's doing 100% match. And it's because they know what's going on. So take advantage of it. They're giving out free money. That's all I got. Thanks for tuning in.